She was in pain, number one. She was sick, number two. She was ashamed, number three. And she was uncomfortable. God ngithanda ngoba mama ithi iBhayibhile xa ufunda verse 25 and a woman was there. Ngithanda kanje. Ngoba noma wayisifa kanjani, she made sure that she is there. You must always pray that somandla apho kukhona uYesu manje bekhona. Ngoba ubuhlungu, ngoba uncomfortable, ngoba ndinehlazo ndimfihlile phakathi kwesikhethi, kodwa ukhona. Let me be there. Xa usifihlungu olexesha ukubaleka uthandize ecaweni, lixesha lokuba there. How uncomfortable bazothini ngam, lixesha ntongayise noma use in the presence of the Lord. Ngoba you must be found there. Ayikuhlungu inhliziyo yakho, awunoxesha ukuthi hayi ndiyayiyeka ibandla lami. Be found there. Ithi iBhayibhile wayithatha ipain, waya where Jesus is. Wayithatha ishame, ngoba ishame uyawuhlalisa ukhonza uthi ndi-pregnant empilweni. Who cares? Yiza nehlazo apha. Yiza nepain apha. Ngoba into sinenzawo ezilungisa khona. Imoto uyilungisa kwamakhenika. Umuntu ogulayo umlungisa esibhedlela. Umphefumulo ophumileyo nguYesu. Dijon, into emamelayo can cause fear or faith. Ayizi ngendlela ukhona. Fear ayizi ngendlela. Into oyivayo can be the difference between pursuing your dreams uphumelele or giving up. Ungayindawo. Lo mama uyanuka, unegazi, unehlazo, uncomfortable. Kodwa wakhatha indlela yakhe. And iBhayibhile ithi wafa ngoYesu. Xa ufuna ukuphumelela, suhamba uyobukela generations, ubukela indaba, ubukela ukufa ehlabathini. Qina indlela yakho, ufuna ukufa ngoYesu. Ubona ifear can come to what you do. The faith comes to what you do. So lo mama wafumana ifaith yokuzophila ngento wayifana. From verse 27. Dilexesha elincinci passes of letters.
Yathi yakuva ngaye uYesu.
Yathini?
Yathi yakuva.
Ayizange iqalile kuYesu. Yaqala ngokufa uYesu. Why is this important? Number one, iBhayibhile ithi faith comes by hearing and hearing by Jesus. Awukwazi ukuya kuKristu Yesu ngenakholo, and ukholo ngoYesu uya ngokuvilela ngaye. Amen. Xa ufunda kuGenesis ufuna umameli wethu le ndoda. Ukubuza uthini ukubuza uAdam. Uthi uphina ndoda. Uthi I heard you in the garden and I was what? Afraid because I was naked. So I hid. And then uSomandla wanti lephula xa uza levesi. Uthi who told you that you are naked? So sibona umuntu othandwayo. Awuyena othandwayo iphila creation. But enqaba mama into erongo ubaleka uThixo omthandayo. Uyosimela ukuthi uThixo ubhizi yamkhangela. Njengabantu bagcweleyo emakhaya. But he is love. The excuses. Bavile something ekhosile ifike ebatshintshileyo relationship. Uthi njengoyika ndayosimela. Then uSomandla bethetha kwelinza ukuba uyila ntoni. Uthi umamele ntoni. Which means into zimamelayo zingazigcwalisa ifike and you never grow in life. Uphelele nalini ungabi yonto ngoba uzosaqala uwesifeselete bahleka abantu. Show mercy to those who hate you so much. Abathi into kanfanelanga. Tuzamuza subamamela bashayiti. So can see it is a woman to say about this. Power to us. If you are sick, may the Lord heal. I'm not taking credit for your sickness. I'm not